Is it the right time to make a decision about Palantir stock? Let's find out. Today, we're delving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 7, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified Palantir as a strong buy candidate with a score of 2.95. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has shown a gain of 4.62%. That means, on average, it has provided a daily return of 1.15% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $18.96, it indicates a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.05% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from -10.43% to 14.00%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 119.24% change over the next year. The potential return ranges from 62.80% to 174.30%. This translates to a price range of $30.61 to $51.57 after a year. Today, let's talk about the latest update for Palantir. The stock price ended at $18.80 on Tuesday, showing a gain of 1.4%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, November 7, 2023, the Palantir stock price increased by 1.4%. It started the day at $18.54 and closed at $18.80. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $18.53 and a high of $19.17, a difference of 3.45%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been an overall gain of 12.98%. It's important to note that the volume of shares traded decreased by 26 million on the last day, with a total of 53 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $998.66 million. This decrease in volume on higher prices could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $20.24, while the lowest was $5.84. Currently, the price is 7.11% or $1.44 below the 52-week high. It is also 58.22% or $26.20 below the all-time high, which was reached on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Today, we'll be discussing analyst ratings for Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Let's take a look at some recent ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Another rating from Wedbush was reported on Tuesday, September 19, 2023, where they also gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR an underweight grade with a downgrade action. Back on Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush once again rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Goldman Sachs gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general rating of buy. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral stance. Today, we'll be analyzing the signals for Palantir stock. Let's start with the current state of the stock. There are mixed signals today. On Friday, November 3, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, and the stock has fallen by -0.476% since then. This indicates that there might be a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's not all bad news. The Palantir stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. This is a promising sign. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $16.94 and $16.23. It's important to note that a breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals, so keep an eye out for that. It's also worth mentioning that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning sign. As a result, it's crucial to closely monitor the stock. In this video, we'll explore some interesting signals you should know about. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently showing a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal gave a buy indication 22 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a buy signal from 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Pay attention to the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It showed a buy signal 3 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we find that the short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir has found support from accumulated volume at $17.97. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. It's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, meaning it may experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, further highlighting the high-risk nature of this stock. In the past day, the stock moved $0.640 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.45% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.39%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Palantir, let's start by understanding some fundamental data that is essential to consider. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Palantir has an extremely high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's important to note that it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.0700. It's crucial to monitor these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir. If Palantir experiences an upward trend, we can look at the first resistance level at $18.89. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. For those who already own the stock, keep this level in mind for potential swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $17.97. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point to anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Palantir has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 1, 2023, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock, based on insider information. Similarly, on October 2, 2023, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On September 15, 2023, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman sold 7,000 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on September 12, 2023, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman sold 3,595 shares of Class A common stock. On September 5, 2023, Wershing Eric H. sold 7,000 shares of Class A common stock. Taking into account the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -20.234. In total, insiders have purchased 12,003,224 shares and sold 18,199,374 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $18.15 with a percentage decrease of 3.47%. It's important to note that this stock experiences high daily movements, which translates to a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 2 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that Palantir stock may present a buying opportunity in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 8, we anticipate Palantir to open up by $0.0333 and begin trading at $18.83. Before we begin, let's keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you understand and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember, liking and subscribing helps us bring you more valuable content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day.